saying, where we're transferring 38 dogs to Alberta, Edmonton, Canada Humane Society for California Cuties. They have a little bit of a shortage of small dogs. They need to be under 10 pounds, very sweet and social, that they can, directly go into homes. They do have people on that are waiting for them.
We found her running the streets over by White Park. It was in the rain, and we were able to corral her up, and I fostered her for about a little over a month, and perfect timing, and now she's coming to Canada. I'm very happy for her. I know she's going to get a good home, and this is why we do what we do.
Yeah, it's a great thing what Jan's doing. We've done a few of these flights before, and everyone up there in Canada really enjoys these dogs.
The back part, dude.
Special day for these doggies.
All right.